Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to SL Preem. Today, I'm going to be unboxing my first iPhone ever. So let's go ahead and begin. By the way, this came straight from Apple, and in the United States, they gave me free one-day delivery. That is all it. Comes in a box like this, very hollow, with nothing in it except the phone, period. It's the iPhone 12. But you don't know which one, do you? Well, since you clicked on this video, you probably realized it's the iPhone 12 mini. My first ever iPhone unboxing. So I've used iPhones before, but I just haven't ever bought one personally. Oh yeah. Also, ASMR. Yeah, okay, that's enough. Now, let's lift. There it is. Ooh, it's super cold. Wow, it feels like a solid piece of ice. I mean, that makes sense. It's been sitting out. Okay, and this year, they actually label where all the buttons are, just in case you don't remember. So I'm guessing most of you guys have used an iPhone before. And yeah, power button on the side, mute switch, and also the volume buttons. So this is an iPhone 6, and as you can see, it's actually smaller, just a tiny bit smaller, which is kind of insane. But obviously the screen, it's a bit bigger since it is edge to edge, and we can now finally lift it up. Wow. I already love this design already. Makes me so nostalgic because I did used to have an iPhone 4, as you can see right here. And we can go ahead and compare the two designs. As you can see, not much has changed. They still have the same buttons and a mute switch. And obviously the power button is on the top instead of the side. And there's no headphone jack, unfortunately. But we are still using the Lightning, which the iPhone 4 didn't have. It came with the iPhone 5 series. And other accessories include just a cable and Apple sticker. Here it is. But yeah, it's kind of disappointing there are no fast charging in the box or headphones. And it makes me even more annoyed because this year's iPhone is actually $30 more expensive than last year's standard iPhone 11, which was $699. I had to buy this for the full price of $729 from Apple. Here is the iPhone 12 Pro. And as you can see, it's smaller, but it's definitely not too small like some of you guys might expect. To me, this is a perfect middle ground between a big phone and a really usable phone. Like, I have small hands and I can't still reach to the top, so I have to readjust it a little bit to bring down the control center. But it feels really nice and homey. Alrighty, with that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. I would appreciate that, as I am trying to get 4,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.